Ever feel trapped by expectations? Like you're living someone else's life? Society tells us who to be, how to act, and what to want. Climb the ladder, achieve success, follow the script, get married, buy the house, start a family. But what if you want something different? What if the conventional path doesn't appeal to you? That's where the Sigma male comes in. A Sigma male is someone who forges their own path. Not quite a follower, not quite a leader. They exist outside the traditional social hierarchy. Sigmas forge their own path, often in solitude, but always with purpose. They value freedom and authenticity above all else. They live life on their own terms. Can you actually live this way, though? Is it possible to break free from societal norms? That's what I wanted to find out. Could I embrace the Sigma lifestyle? Could I hack it even for a week? Living by these so-called Sigma rules? Join me on this journey to discover if it's truly possible to go your own way. The Sigma male gets stereotyped a lot. People imagine a lone wolf, totally isolated. That's not the full picture. Yes, Sigmas are independent. They don't need constant validation. They choose their own path, even if it's unconventional, but they're not emotionless robots. Sigmas can be social, even charming. They just do it on their own terms. They connect with people authentically, not out of obligation. This is what makes them intriguing. They challenge the status quo just by being themselves. Let's face it, life is full of pressure. Pressure to fit in, to please others, to meet expectations that are often unrealistic. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us to follow the right path, to achieve certain milestones. It's exhausting and can feel never-ending. This is where the Sigma mindset becomes really powerful. It's about stepping back and questioning those societal norms. Imagine throwing off those expectations. Imagine the freedom of not being tied down by what others think you should do. What if you stopped caring about what others thought? Suddenly you're free. Free to make your own choices without the weight of judgment. Free to pursue your own goals, to follow your passions, and to live a life that's true to you. Free to express yourself authentically without fear of being judged or misunderstood. Free to live life on your own terms, to find joy in the simple moments and to embrace solitude when needed. No wonder the Sigma idea is so appealing. It's a call to break free from the mold and to celebrate what makes you unique. It's a rebellion against conformity, a celebration of individuality, and a journey towards self-discovery and true happiness. So, could I actually live as a Sigma, even for a week? This question intrigued me, and I decided to dive headfirst into the experiment. What would it be like to step away from societal norms and expectations and truly live life on my own terms? I decided to try some key principles, pursuing my own interests, saying no more, and embracing discomfort. These principles seemed simple, but implementing them in daily life was a different story. I'll admit it was tough at first. Old habits die hard, but something amazing happened. As I pushed through the initial resistance, I began to notice subtle changes in my mindset and behavior. The more I focused on myself, the more I realized how much of my life had been dictated by external pressures and expectations. The less I cared about external validation, the more liberated I felt. It was as if a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. I started feeling more authentic, more alive. My days were filled with activities that genuinely interested me, and I found joy in the simplest of things. Did I become a completely different person? No, but I did become a better version of myself, more in tune with my own desires and needs. But I did learn that true freedom comes from within. It's not about changing who you are, but about embracing your true self. It's about defining success for yourself, setting your own goals, and not letting society dictate it. This realization was empowering. Not letting society dictate it. I found strength in walking my own path, even if it meant going against the grain. That's the real power of the Sigma mindset. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and standing firm in your beliefs. So, what do you think? Could you embrace this mindset even for a short period? Could you live a week as a Sigma? It's a challenge, but one that could lead to profound personal growth. Share your thoughts. I'd love to hear them. Your experiences and insights could inspire others to take the leap.